Hi, my name is Dr. Brent Parnell with the Alabama Center for Urogynecology and Pelvic Pain. Today we're going to talk about stress urinary incontinence. This is a common condition that affects about 1 out of 3 women who are over age 45. Women may notice leaking with coughing or sneezing or exercise, sometimes just strenuous activities like yard work or lifting heavy things. This condition occurs commonly after childbirth or sometimes after other pelvic surgeries, including hysterectomy. Treatment options include pelvic floor exercises. There's also other non-surgical options like pessaries and even an over-the-counter option called Impreza. But certainly we also have surgical treatment options available for this. If you would like to speak with someone about stress urinary incontinence, please feel free to contact us at the Alabama Center for Urogynecology and Pelvic Pain.